Good day everyone. So this is the second video. I would like to talk about the Bluetooth because I believe that a lot of students have difficulty to connect the Bluetooth between the drone and the PC. So as mentioned on the workshop, there are two ways to connect to the Bluetooth. So first, is to power up the drone, and you got the Bluetooth name here, so you can just connect directly using your PC. So, but you found that they have no list in this part to connect, to change the Bluetooth to the COM port. Means that we need COM port to communicate with the Arduino. Some PC works, some PC not works. But if your PC works, congratulations. But if your PC is not working, then you have to go for the second option, where your PC will connect to a CH340, then connect to the Bluetooth. We have a few types of Bluetooth. Just a second, I will just grab some Bluetooth to show you all. Okay, here is a few types of Bluetooth. This is the HC05 that I have purchased to test on the drone, and this is the BT05. This is a version 2, this is a version 4. And inside the drone, is a version 4 Bluetooth. So I tried to connect with the HC05, but I can't get any method to connect it. So I would like to recommend you all to use the BT05 Bluetooth, because it is the same Bluetooth that comes with the drone. I will teach you all on how to connect it in the next part. So why I'm using this, because I will using my PC to connect with the HC05. We call it the UART instead of CH340 or the FTDI. It's the UART, and we will connect to the Bluetooth. Then the Bluetooth will connect with this Bluetooth. Then they will communicate through serial. That's I'm calling a master and slave. But we are going to do one master, one slave. So on the coming videos, on the coming parts, I will show you all how to connect it, and step by step I will share, and I also will share the example to fast up the pace on this part. Okay, this is the drone without the casing and everything. So first I will try to communicate with the Bluetooth. Okay, first you have to switch on the Bluetooth. If not, it won't work. So this is the UART. You connect on this part like that, and we will connect to our PC. Okay. Okay. I think it's this way. So you'll see the drone is lighting up. I'll give a bit. Okay, I will put it here. I'll give it a bit force. Okay. So this is a BT05 Bluetooth module. I will share it later on. So Bluetooth are using the AT command, and normally this is the baud rate that you need to use on the Bluetooth, and the default baud rate is 9600. So the Bluetooth have power on. It's an Arduino Pro Mini. So this is the code that how we communicate with Bluetooth. Then we go to we have to set the system Arduino Pro Mini. Okay, then we choose the correct port, and we burn this code inside using the correct baud rate to communicate between the Bluetooth and our PC. So we are waiting for the code to burning. Okay, done. So we open the serial monitor, we put the 960, and we press AT. Enter. Okay, sorry for that. Just now the drone has been a bit hang. Okay, after I have trouble, because the OK is not replying right. So after the troubleshooting, I found that different drone has different baud rate. So I think the default one is 960, but instead of the drone is having a 11520 baud rate. So I've changed the baud rate. The drone is here on the table. So I will just burn the code inside. Okay, maybe you all can see the code. I just noticed that. Okay, let me adjust my stand. 80. Okay, I think you all can see it now. So we have to make the drone the slave, and later on the other will be a master. So the drone will be waiting the command from the PC. So we check the row. Okay, it's 0, then it's okay. If not, you have to set row to 0. So 80, you can change the name of the drone to drone 001. We can check the version. Okay, you can change the name. We change to 001. Then we have the password. Okay, normally the password is 1234. I'll make it default, but you can change it. Okay, I don't like the baud rate, so baud rate is 8. So I would like to change to 960 because 960, I like 960, so I use 960. Then the baud rate has changed. Then we got a lot of setting here, but we are not using it for this one. I will talk about it later on master. So first you have to change the row to 0. The password is depend on you. The name is depends on you. Do you want to change or not? But the baud rate is also depends on you. But I've changed it. Then I will just 80 reset. After I reset, the drone won't reply me because the baud rate has changed. So this one I have to change to 9600. Scan it. So 960 here. 80. Yep, with the name. Yes, so when you go to the Bluetooth, you can see the name is different. So you can differentiate your drone and the other person drone or your friend drone. Equal to drone 001. So that's the setting for the drone. I will share this code. This is the drone BT. So remember to set your baud rates. Maybe I just paste this line here. Support rate. Okay. Okay. I'll save this. I will share to you all later. Okay, that's how you set the drone setting for the slave. Slave is easy, and we will do for the master later on. This is the drone that I used for testing. So this is my code, my personal code that I won't share it. Okay, I open the monitor. Okay, so my code is when I press a number, the drone will the speed of the drone will turn. For example, I put a number 10. I will enter it. The drone will run at a speed of I think 10 is around 5%. So that's how I communicate this. Now I'm using wire. Later I will change to Bluetooth. Okay, now we are talking on the BT04, how we want to set the BT04. First, you have to connect all the pins. Okay, we will connect it. Let me show you. VCC, ground, TX, and RX. So I believe that a lot of people already know this. So VCC, ground, orange is TX, red is RX. So we connect to our UART. So okay, I will have a look. Brown is VCC. So brown is VCC, you connect to VCC. The second one is gray. Gray is ground. Then the orange is transmit. So orange transmit you put to receive, then the receive will be transmit because you have to communicate This is transmitting to here, and this thing is receiving. This is transmitting to here, this thing is receiving. So then you plug it directly, then you choose your baud rate, you choose your COM port, sorry, then you open. I believe this thing, the default is 960, so we put 80. We'll see whether it's reply. Okay, the thing is replying. So we open the data sheet, then we go for 80 plus row. Okay, we have to set it to master. It's already in master, so we can set it to slave. Okay, sorry, I will put the computer nearer. Okay, we will set 80 plus row 0 to slave, but sadly we have to make it master 1. So 80 name BT master. Okay, reset. Okay, 80 plus name, we'll put it as drone master 001. Okay, then after we set it, you get the drone, you plug in the battery, the Bluetooth is activated. I'll put it here. Okay, then I'll put it here. Sorry, I accidentally pressed it. Then 80 plus con. Oh, sorry, we have to inquire. INQ. Zero device found. We'll search again. Okay, we found one device. One device found. So the device is in number 1. So I will AT connect 1. Connected. Means that my drone is connected. My Bluetooth here is connected to the drone after I set it to master. Then you see, the drone start to send all the signal to me. So when I press 0, it was actually already sent to the drone. 1, the speed 2, yeah, because I'm in the battery low, so 3. Then you can control Bluetooth through Bluetooth. Then you can send all your UART here and there to the drone and everything. Then that's how the Bluetooth is connected. So now I have successfully connected my Bluetooth to this Bluetooth. So the connection is that easy. I know the video is a bit long, but I will share all my code there. Hopefully you all have a good time with me, and sorry for my bad English and everything. That's all.